Pop quiz, hotshot.
It's minus 30 outside and the snow has trapped you indoors with two small children, and you've got no brown sugar and no chocolate chips.
Now what do?
Well, it's pretty simple. You make cookies. Cooking in real life. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then combine 2 1/4 cups of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Set that aside. In another bowl, beat together 1 cup softened butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla until smooth and creamy. Add 2 eggs and continue to beat until well combined. Add the 2 bowls together and mix well. Add 1 1/2 cups of mini eggs. Try to chop them in half, give up quickly, and just add them all in. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Fill it up with spoonfuls of dough, about 1 tablespoon worth each. Bake at 375 degrees for 12 minutes. When done, set them aside, let them cool, then enjoy, preferably with a glass of milk. Follow for more. Cooking in real life.
Shoot the hostage.
What?